It's the worst sensation that I felt since Everest, probably. We have to do Chachani again.
Hopefully I don't have anything that's long lasting or anything that's terrible. So yeah, prayers for my leg.
First summit of this year. So yeah, super happy, super grateful. Gracias. Hola, ¿cómo estás? So we're on our way to Pichu Pichu. Excited for this first mountaineering experience in a really long time, and first one in Peru for this wonderful trip. Go to base camp. Hello tout le monde. On arrive au camp de base du Pichu Pichu à 4600 mètres. How long do you think to summit? Because if it's 3 hours.
Really? I don't know your rhythm because I don't know exactly. That means it will be 4 hours. So quiet with the procedure stuff, you know.
We're gonna leave base camp now, a lot later than expected, because I was very tired and I didn't sleep pretty well. But yeah, just really grateful to be here, and I just hope it goes well. Renzo, our guide, showed us that a Mirage crashed here in 2014 during training operations, and Renzo actually was in charge of recuperating the black box, and the remains of the plane are scattered around, and no, it's just crazy. On arrive au sommet du Pichu Pichu, qui est dans la région de Arequipa. On a 5600 mètres, c'est ça?
À peu près, ouais. Un peu moins, peut-être 5005.
C'était tellement dur de se réveiller ce matin. On était supposé partir à 3h du matin, on est parti à 4h45. We're on our way to base camp of Chachani. We're going to hopefully summit. And yeah, I'm just really excited. I was feeling very tired and quite anxious again. But I hope it goes well. This is great training for Everest because I have to be consistent, and I have to train on my consistency, and I have to train on high endurance. Also, it's like following up expedition after expedition, just like camp after camp. So here again, I'm gonna try to do nothing, just walk, no ambition. The goal is just to walk, and if I don't feel great, I'm not gonna lie to you, Renzo. I'm gonna say let's go back to the car. So yeah, no assumptions, no ambitions, just to get back on our feet. So yeah, feeling really tired. My head hurts a bit. My stomach doesn't feel great. So not gonna put too much pressure on myself. Je vais avoir du mal. Mentalement et physiquement. On est à combien de mètres là?
5100.
Ah! Il reste 900 mètres?
Yeah, entre 900 et 1000.
Ouais. We're back to our starting point, back to the car. Didn't make it far. Probably like not even 200 meters. I didn't acclimatize well. My stomach was unwell. Just what a terrible day. What's next? We have to do Chachani again in order to do Korpuna to acclimatize. So yeah, I have to get back in shape. So I'm here with Renzo again. It's Thursday. It's been a long time. And so yeah, we're going for Chachani, 6,057 meters.
Yeah.
Hopefully it goes well. Just had diarrhea, but we'll make it happen. Okay? Vamos.
The last time we made from A to B. Literally that you must focus the point B to C, you know?
Yep. Okay. That's the steep part. That's where
That is the steep part, you know?
You think we'll need ice axe?
Literally for one section.
Only one section. We're at base camp, a few meters away from where we stopped last time. Feeling a lot better. So yeah, feeling really in shape. Trying to channel my thoughts in my mind. On est à 5680. On n'a pas pu faire sommet à cause de moi parce que j'avais extrêmement mal sur mon pied gauche, sur les ligaments.
No, the way I see it, I'm gonna try the mountain again on like Monday night, and then I'll talk to Dad. I mean, if the training that you're doing is good, I mean, it sounds great. So I think I'll just join you directly, or I'll see with Dad if I stay, and it depends on just like everything on the other factors. We're Sunday, and Mr. Renzo and Mr. Rene, the kine of the greatest kine of Arequipa, are here to check on my left leg because of what happened on Chachani the last time we attempted. So yeah, they're just gonna check it out and hopefully it goes well, and they'll kind of today we'll kind of decide if I'll attempt Chachani again. So a little recap from what happened. So first thing was my two legs are not on the same level. The second thing was my back.
El agua caliente.
Tu touches à l'eau chaude maintenant.
Le chaud.
Mets du chaud.
Caliente.
Perfect.
Mets du chaud.
Después de eso ya su crema.
Y après,
Non, c'était bon.
n'oublie pas votre...
So a recap, I decided to turn back because my left hip was really hurting when I was going up. It wasn't the first time, it wasn't the second time. And so yeah, just decided to go back down and super frustrated. I honestly feel like I feel like it's a worse sensation that I felt since Everest probably. But yeah, I'm just really frustrated, and I'm just keeping my fingers crossed that this pain doesn't last until Everest, and it doesn't last on Everest. So yeah, thank you again, Renzo. These volcanoes have been really beautiful, really cool. But yeah, it is what it is, and I'll make sure to come back again, and we'll make it happen again.
In the mountain, yeah, sometimes more than music, you need,
To
shouting
convey.
and lead this inside voice from you.